I'm just gonna wait for it to get deep enough for the snow blower to get the driveway. I ain't hand shelling that, that's for sure. Man, it's cold out here. I bet you Floridians are missing this. No. Good. Oh yeah, got enough fuel. Prime it. Yep. And now, pull. I'm not stupid. Oh. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is what happens when you have an awesome neighbor. I don't even have to snow blow the driveway. That's the awesome neighbor over there. Thank you. Well, I guess my job's done for the day. This is awesome.